today with another video. This is actually a cooking video. A lot of you guys seem to really enjoy my cooking videos, and this video was actually requested. Today I am going to be making some easy chicken Alfredo, and I call it easy because I am not going to be making the sauce from scratch. I have made a video on how to make chicken Alfredo from scratch, so if you haven't checked it out, be sure to go check that video out. So, not gonna do a lot of talking, I'm going to jump right into the ingredients. So, let's go. To make this chicken Alfredo, I am going to be using these 2 large chicken breasts. You're gonna need some Parmesan cheese. Now you can use grated Parmesan or you can use like the actual shredded Parmesan cheese, but this is what I'm using. For the sauce, I am going to be using these 2 large jars of this classic Alfredo. This is the great value kind. You can use whatever kind you want to. You can use the Prego, the Ragu, whatever you would like to use. And then I'm going to be using these great value fettuccine noodles. I'm going to be using this full pack, and then I have another pack. It's like a half pack of noodles. You're gonna need some butter. I'm gonna be using butter to cook the chicken. I am gonna also be using this Italian style cheese to kind of help spice it up. And as far as my seasoning, I know for a fact that I do not like the way that this sauce tastes without an extra flair. I know that I'm gonna need seasonings. I'm gonna be using my classic seasonings, and that is garlic powder, salt, pepper, parsley flakes, and some onion powder. You can honestly use whatever seasonings you want to use, but this is what I choose to use. Y'all know I always tell y'all, use whatever you like, season to your liking, to your taste, whatever. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. I'm getting ready to clean my chicken, and then I'm gonna cut it, and I will be back. Butter, and I'm gonna cut a few tablespoons off. I'm gonna do about this much right here. Ooh, that was about to explode. I'm gonna go ahead and put that in here. I have my heat on like 7, well, between the 6 and the 8 on my stove. I'm gonna melt that butter right there. together. So like you literally have to stir these things like constantly, non-stop, very gently to prevent them from sticking together. I already don't like the smell of this sauce, y'all. Ugh. I'm just gonna pour it in there.
That is nummy!
Right there, right there. Ugh. I can't stand it. Put a little bit of water up in this jar right here. Y'all know how you're supposed to do.
It smells like chicken.
Shake her up. I'm just gonna do that right there. And stir. Ugh. Yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna like this. I do not know if I'm gonna like this at all. Ugh. It don't smell like love. You know what I'm saying? I do not feel the love. I guess I'm gonna add my seasonings in right here. So I'm gonna do some, I don't think we need some onion powder, but definitely garlic. I think we got a bowl. I'm about to add my cheese real quick. Put a little bit of parm in there, like that right there. I'm gonna go ahead and add in some of this Italian.
That cheese! Oh, look at that amazing cheese!
Is it be-mazing?
Yeah.
I didn't know that be-mazing was a word. It still don't really smell like home. It's where the heart is. You know what I'm saying? Alright, I guess I can go ahead and add in the noodle ministry. It don't taste flavorless, so that's a great thing. It does not taste flavorless, but I do feel like it needs some more Parmesan cheese. So I think I'm gonna add some more Parmesan. I'm about to taste this real quick and see what it tastes like. It's good.
Can I taste it?
It's good, but it ain't my sauce. But let's see what Dallas got to say. You ready to taste it? Okay. It's gonna be a big bite, okay? Ready to get some chicken? What you think? I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't done so already. My son is moving my tripod. Subscribe if you haven't done so already. Be sure to turn on your post notifications so that you will be notified of all of the videos that I post. So that you will be notified of all the videos that I post. This is your girl, Keisha Michelle, and I will see you guys next time. Let's hit that outro.
When she calls me, baby, you know I don't pull out when we loving. Touching and kissing and licking. No one's leaving your panties or something now. In my car, in my crib.